So last time we did all from 9, last from 10. And then we did doubling and halving. Any doubt in these two topics? Suman?
Sir,
Any doubts?
no doubts.
क्लास लेंगे? हो गया? Lakshmi, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, then let's start further then. We'll be starting with scares today. What is scare? A number multiplied by itself. So 2, if n is 2, it becomes 2 into 2, 4. So very first requirement is we need to remember that table, what we did in workshop also. I'll just repeat. Square of 1 is equal to 1 square. Square of 2 is equal to 4. Square of 3, 9. (16), 25, 6, 36, 7 is 49, 8, 64, 9, 81, and 10 is 100. So this table is very important. See, right now we'll be implementing this table to find the squares of larger numbers, double digit, triple digit, 4-time digits. We'll be finding all the squares using this table. But later, the same table would be used to find the square roots. So very essential, you need to remember, and if possible, do remember 11 square, 121, 12 square, 144, 13 square, 169, 14 square is? Yes. What is 14 square?
196, 196,
196, and 15 square?
225.
So up till here, if you can remember, it's good, but up till 10, it is compulsion. If you don't know up till 10, then nothing can be done. Right, so first 10, it is essential, and if up till 15, that will give you more speed, more benefits. So the first sutra we'll be doing is Anurupena. Now, what does this mean? What we did in workshop was after the final answer of Anurupena Sutra we used. But how that answer was derived, that we'll learn now. Anurupena Sutra means by ratio, or you can say by proportionality. Proportionality. Correct. And but the limitation, this method has a limitation. The limitation is can be used for 2 digits only. If you remember, we did for 3 also, but that was on the same pattern. Now, if a number is given to you, A and B, and you have to find a square of this, first thing is you have to find the ratio, and R is equal to B by A. Any doubt up till here? Any question you have?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, how do we find it? The format of this sutra is left part, middle part, and right part. Left part is A square. Middle part is left part into R. And right part is middle part into R. The definition of the sutra says, Anupayana Sutra says, if you start from the finding the square of a first digit and progress in a ratio, you will get square of the last digit or second digit. Now, I'll tell you how. First is clear, A square. If you just observe, what would be LP? A square into R. What is R? B by A. So if you cross, it becomes AB. MP into R. That means AB into B by A. So that is B square. So we started from A square and we got B square. That means if we start for the finding of first digit and move in the ratio of with the ratio, we will get the second square also. The only thing you have to remember, you will not consider AB, you will always take double middle part. So 2AB, you will take it. Whenever you do the calculation, you will always take double of middle part. And now see what is derived. A square 2AB B square. Clear? This is the formula which we otherwise in algebra, what is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. But here you have to be very careful. This should be the only format. You cannot shift B square in the middle and 2AB at the last. No. This is only what you have to remember. A square, 2AB and B square. And as per the definition, if you start from the A, finding the square of the first digit and move in progression with the ratio, then you will get the square of the second digit. Is it clear up till here? Any questions?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you are asked to find a square of 38 square, now you have got the formula clear. But if it is asked, find it by Anurpayana Sutra, that means you have been asked to find R first. R would be 8 by 3. Means you have to show the full procedure. Left part would be A square. So that is 3 into 3. Middle part is 3 into 3 into 8 by 3. So this would be gone, 24. And right part would be 3 into 8. That 24 is 3 into 8 into 8 by 3 So 64. And we have to take, while calculations, we take 2 into 24. So 9, 48, 64. That gives me 4, 4, 48 plus 6 is 54. 5 goes there. Any questions you have? Now, this is when you are asked particularly to find by Anurpena Sutra. Otherwise, you can remember this later on. A square, 2ab, and b square. Got it? Any questions?
No, sir.
So I'll be giving you one question now. You can directly use this also. But I would again request you to first follow the full procedure so that you remember how it has to be obtained. (72 square). Please find it. Sorry, I'm interrupting. Karishma, you have put 3 fields, I think. Name.
3. Yes, name, contact number, and city.
I saw.
Yeah.
It was in either Messenger or.
Not in Messenger, only Facebook and Insta.
Then I saw in Facebook.
Okay.
Chalo, you start getting the response.
5 names.
Yes, what is the answer?
5184.
5184.
Okay. Everybody got it? Akram?
Yes, sir. 5184.
Anyone who is still pending?
Yes.
Suman?
Yes, sir. Got it. Told.
Right. Now, even you'll be getting directly by the formula itself, but what I wanted was so that you have a practice for once. 96. 2 questions you can do this way, then we'll just switch over. Directly you can apply.
Nine two one six, sir.
Okay. Others?
Nine two one six.
Good. Anyone who has not been able to get the answer?
Yes, got it, sir. 921.
Got it, sir.
Very good. So this was the first method. But the limitation is we cannot move ahead with this. If I have to find a cube of 3 digits, it becomes difficult. Then either I have to take this as a square, one number. So that is not practical to find R and then it seems to be lengthy, right? So we have different techniques for that also, which we'll learn after this. Now, second method is known as duplex. Or the sutra is known as Dvandva Yoga. Please remember the sutra names. I'll ask you. And what does that mean? Adding the duplexes. What is duplex? I'll explain you. Let's say we have to find now, but this is the best method. Best, why I'm saying best, though it is not every time fast. For example, even other methods are faster than this. But this is the method with which every number can be found, or you can call it as a general technique. Every number, even 4-digit, 5-digit, 6-digit, 7-digit, it might be lengthy, but every number can be found by this technique. And so one can learn two techniques, one for smaller numbers and one this technique, which is applicable for all. In case they're not able to remember or they don't want to pay attention that, no, I don't want to remember so many concepts, only one is sufficient. So first, now since we are dealing with 2-digit numbers, so we'll understand first for 2-digit and 3, 4, 5 we'll do later on. If a number is A and B and we have to find a square, I said adding the duplexes. Now this means duplex of A, the first number, duplex of AB, both digits, and duplex of B, the last digit. It works like this. First, you keep on increasing up till the last and then start reducing the initial numbers. So in case of 3-digit AB square, it would be D of A, D of AB, D of ABC, and then D of BC, last two, and the last D of C. Now this is just duplexes. Still, we have to go one more step. We have to understand. You can take a screenshot of this. After this, I'll explain what is taken. Now, so
Sir, please show
Sir,
that
1
screen
minute,
again.
sir. I
and-
want to write down.
Yes, sir.
okay, right.
Okay.
Done.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I have written A, B. Here, so my requirement is care of this, and I gave you this is sum of duplexes. But again, you don't know what is duplexes now. So what is the value of duplexes? What does this mean? D of this and D. Now, value, I'll explain you. Duplex of any single number. Duplex of any single number is here of that number. Duplex of any double number is 2AB. Duplex of 3 digits is 2ac plus b square. Means the outer digits multiply by 2 and inner digit square. Duplex of 4 digits is equal to 2ab plus, sorry, AD. The outer first and 2BC. Duplex of 5 digits. Please try to understand the pattern. Is 2AE first last, second last. Now a middle term is left. So square of middle term. Again, you can write down once. First, I told you what is square. Duplex of a square of any numbers. We start finding the duplexes. Now, what is the value of duplex? This is that. We'll combine today and after this. Written?
No, sorry.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Akram, Khudeja, everyone written?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Bata diya.
Yes, sir.
So AB square becomes, now I'm finally putting up everything together. D of A, D of AB, D of C. Oh, sorry, B. So duplex of single digit number, square. Again, single digit number here, but here it is B, so it would be B square. Here 2 into AB. See, it is the same formula which we derived from Anurpena Sutra. But the problem was that was only applicable for 2 digits. Here, even 3 digits will work. See, I'll show you 3 digits over here. D of A, D of AB, D of ABC, D of BC, and D of C. So what is D of A? A square,
A square.
2AB, here ABC, so 2AC plus B square, then 2BC, then C square. Now is it clear or any question you have? Any questions you have?
No,
So,
sir. Understood the concept.
If you remember this, you can do it by both the methods. But the point is, if specifically the question is coming by duplex method, so you have to write down this step. You should know this. And second thing, this you can remember. You cannot remember this for 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit. So you should know how this has been derived. Don't focus right now only on 2 digit. Tomorrow, big numbers would be coming. So we don't have to cram the things, cram the equation. We have to understand how we are writing. First digit, then second digit, then, sorry, first digit, then if it is only 2, both the digits, and then last. Here, first digit, first 2 digits, first 3 digits, then decreasing. Correct? And we'll do 4 and 5 also, but after learning some. Done? Any questions you have? So now if it is coming to 38 again by duplex method, the first line you have to write D of 3, D of 38, D of 8. So 3 square means 9, 38, 3 into 8 is 24, 48, and 64. 4, 4, 14. Any questions? Any doubts? Yes? Did we get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now solve one. 28. Sorry, 28 तो same आ गया. 24.
Five 76.
576.
Okay.
576.
Very good. Forty-seven scale.
Two 209.
Okay.
2209.
Yes, Khudeja. Kalpana. Oh, sorry, Lakshmi is there. Yeah, that is different batch. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Lakshmi.
2209.
Suman. With this, we can do any big number. But first, we are practicing for 2 digits, and then we'll move forward. 98 scale.
Nine 9604.
9604.
9604.
चलो इसका तो बहुत से methods है, right? So these were the two techniques. If asked in particular, in general, yes, use this technique, then you have to write the first steps. Otherwise, you remember the formula, right? And in case you get the students who are appearing for the competitive examination, they don't want what is a sutra. They want the concept, how we can do it faster. So for them, it was an easy concept, what we did in our workshop. So 2 methods. If square of a 2-digit number is asked, first write first square, then write second square. Keep the unit place free and write the 2AB and add it. 1936. In case if so, what is this? Basically, you are writing A square, you're writing B square, and below you are adding 2AB. Right. In case you find this difficult, Then you have the pattern A square, AB, and B square. So both the ways you can write your answers. And this, we just did it. So you can try with this also, because this is also faster to teach and students understand it better. Right, now let's do some questions. 59 square. Because now I'm not asking you to have the first formula, how it was derived, just final. Yes, 59 square.
348
3, 4.
81.
Okay. Suman,
Yes, sir. 3481.
Sudeja, Akram, Shri Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. 3481.
Chalo. 63 square.
3789.
3969.
3969, sir.
Karishma, what happened? See,
Just a minute. Yes, sir.
36,
Yes,
09,
36 and 36.
and here also 36,
36. Yes.
so 3969.
Yes.
So it's now you're doing it for the second time, so you might not find that excitement. But people who are habitual of doing 63 into 63, they find a big relief. Wow, so easily we are doing without big calculations. That is a difference that you feel at the first stage, right? 74 square.
5476.
5476.
Sir, 5476.
Okay, so everybody cannot be wrong. Everybody is saying the same, so it has to be 87 square.
7569.
7569.
75.
69.
69.
Okay. Yes, Karishma. Khudeja.
Yes, sir. 7569.
Good. '89.
7921.
7921.
Okay.
Yes, sir. 95. Okay, 96. Sorry. 96 here.
9036.
Yes. Karishma, Khudeja.
9216.
Yes, sir. 9216.
9216.
Suman.
1 minute. 81.
Where you went wrong?
54 into 2, 8. The middle product is wrong. Okay, I got it.
Right. Now,
Yes.
the benefit of this is, if you remember this, even you can calculate for 3 digits easily. See why I said it is not possible or it is not advisable in Anurpaina Sutra, because you have to find R. You have to calculate. So it becomes lengthy procedure. And we have so many other techniques to find it. But in general, if I remember this thing, I can find the 3-digit numbers also. But again, this method, we don't recommend it for all the 3-digit numbers. We recommend, okay, if the numbers are near to base, then it is easy. But if they are not near the base, then it will become difficult. Let's say first number is 102. So first step is you make this as A and you make this as B. So A squares become 100. 2 into 10 is 20 into 2, 40. And B square is 4. Now, we cannot have 2 digits. So 10404 is your answer. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
But my question is, because why I'm now, maybe you didn't understand this in workshop. Why A is 10 and B is taken 2? Why not
Because
A as 1 and B as 02?
Because then in units place we'll have 2 digits, and then we have to keep in balancing line also 2 digits at the one place.
Yes, we have to be very careful. See, here we are considering 2 digits at the unit place. So that will be maintained. So here, sorry, A square is 1, 2AB. So 2 into 1 into B. Now B is 02. So you have to keep the number in 2 digits only. It would be 04. And similarly, 2 square is 4, but it has to be written as 2. So this is your answer, 10404. Got the difference? Yes, Suman, Shilakshmi, Akram.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And second thing, why we do this is because in case of 4 digits also, you have to do this. So you need to understand what is the change. Clear? So let's practice this. $108 here. Please find by both the tricks. A as 10, B as 8, and other case A as 1 and B as 08. And check whether you are getting the same answer or not.
Yes, sir, I got the answer 11664 with both the methods.
Got it, sir.
Clear? Any doubts, any questions you have? Yes, Suman. Akram.
No doubt, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. 113. Please find out. What is the answer?
One two seven six nine.
Okay. Others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 12769.
Who is left? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what happened?
12769.
Okay. 1
No, I was doing.
181.
Sir, same method से
आप दोनों से ट्राई कर लो। 81 का स्क्वायर आपको आता है? सेपरेट 81
Yes,
का
sir.
निकालो।
324.
See, we have to increase our speed. So वो धीरे धीरे तभी आएगी
18 into 1.
जितने हम क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। The more we'll do, more will be the speed.
32761.
32761.
61.
Both the ways you got it.
Yes, sir.
Only one.
Okay. 206 here.
Four two four three six.
Okay.
42436.
Very good. Yes, others?
Sir, 4243.
Yes, sir.
चलिए 221.
2, 1.
Four double 841.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 48841.
Good. Two 98.
Eight seven four eight four.
Double 8804.
Yes, sir. I also got this 88804.
Yes, Karishma, check.
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm just doing it again. Yes,
Sir, one
my
small
middle part was
doubt, sir.
Yes, please ask.
Sir, can we do like in a multiplication, as we are dividing in that manner, 29 square and 8 square, like that also we can do it, no, sir?
We are
Means by
doing that.
getting the answer.
We are doing the same, na?
Yes, yes, yes.
Are we not doing the same?
I was thinking, yeah. I was
We are
thinking
doing
about
the
like a
same. Either we are
multiplication
taking
in
this
the
as
they're dividing.
dividing as
Yes. No, sir. Correct, sir.
so how you are doing now? But
First to 29 square, I'm finding, sir.
that only you have to do it.
Yes.
So that's what I taught, na? See, 102. So here it is 29. So 8,
Yes.
10 is 100. 2AB is
100.
that's what we are doing. Why getting confused? See, this method is very good, but the point is this method loses importance when we go for the tougher numbers. Now here also, I don't know how you solve. But we need to take 2 steps. 29 square, you cannot remember by heart, neither 98 square. Okay,
So for
98 still.
29, I've done, yes. For that, what I'm doing is crisscross.
Yes. So then what has to be done? 2 into 98 into 2 is also supposed to be done. So this method is very helpful when it is near to the lower base. Not upper base, lower base. And for 2-digit numbers. Now, if same, now 20, either you have to find 29 square or 98 square, both was tough. Right? Similarly, if I give you 999 and I don't tell you, I strictly say go by this technique only. So finding 99 square, okay, now you remember 9801. But otherwise you have to find first this. Then 2 into 9 into 99. And then 9 square, 81. So much big calculations. So for this, we have different other methods also. See, while in Vedic maths, you have to use your brains more. You have to visualize more. You have to find the reason more. Which method should I apply? That should be the approach. So when the number is near the base, go for the easy method. When it is above the base, go for the other method. When it is 2-digit number, go by the simple method. So that way you have to observe, take the decision immediately. Right? Any questions? Any doubts? Any questions you have?
No, sir.
See, we can find a 4-digit also here. If it is 11, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can take this as A, this as B. But see the difference. 12 into 34 into 2 also you have to find. You have to find 12 square. Okay, that is, I remember 144. 34 square. So many efforts have to be done. Instead of that, person will think, why not to go for multiplication directly? Got my point? So big numbers have to be avoided by these 2 methods. Any doubt? So till now we have covered 3 topics. One is by Anupena Sutra to find the ratio, proportionality. We find first R, then we find left part, that is A square. Second is A square into B, A square into B by A. So that becomes A square B. And right part is middle part into R. So that becomes B square. Any doubt? Then we go for duplex method. And third, we went for an easy approach where only directly by writing the squares of the first two numbers, and below you write down the 2ab. Yes, any questions now? Shilakshmi, Akram, Khudeja, any questions?
No
Sir,
doubt, sir.
how to solve this, sir?
Which
I could
one?
not get
We are not solving
this one.
this.
1, 2, 3, 4.
The solving
No.
is what is this? A square, 2ab, b square, solve it. Okay. What is a? 12, 144. What is 2
140.
into 12 into 34? Find out. That's what I'm saying. This method is not useful. But yes, answer can be, you can get the answer. That is not difficult. 2 into 12 is 24. Into 34. Yes. 24 into 34. You can think of this. 6. 8 plus 12. 20. 16. So what do you get? 1. 816. 816 in between. B square. 34 square. Again. 3, 4, 3, 4, 9. 3, 4 is 12 plus 12, 24, 16.
1156.
So 6, 5, 1, 1. So 1, 1, 5, 6. Now B is 2 digit. So here 2 digits should be allowed. So 5, 6. Then 2, 7. And 8 will go
152.
further. So 1, 5, 2.
Yes, sir, got it.
Then you'll question, then you'll get the solution. If you'll not question, how can you get the solution? Yes, Akram? Suman?
Yes, got it.
Great. Then the easy topic, finding the square of numbers. This is the fourth concept in squares. Ending with 5. Also known as Ikadikena Sutra. By Ikadikena Sutra.
Add 1.
But how did you get this formula? How did you think that this can be done? That you should know. So if you apply the same a square to ab, b square, so you will note that if b is 5, so 5 into 2 will always give you 10. Now whatever is a, it will hardly affect the unit place. Are you getting my point? What
No,
will
sir.
happen? A square a and 10, and b square is here. Now what will happen? B square will be always 25. 5.
Correct.
This 2 will go here. Again, it
Yes.
could be always 25 like this. And a square plus a you'll get. So you'll get a square plus a and 25. Correct or any doubt? First, understand this.
Understood, sir. Yes, yes, got it.
Suman, how do you get a into a plus 1? Very first thing you should understand that. You don't have to cram. Cram was optional workshop, okay. Ikadikena सूत्र लगाना है, but कैसे? उसके पीछे रीजन क्या है? What is the theory behind that? Yes, Suman, are you getting or not?
Getting confused.
I knew. See, Joe, what confusion is there? Tell me.
Second step.
This one.
Yes.
What will you get? 2 into B will be 10.
10. Yeah, okay. 5 to the 10. Right.
Let's, and for 10 you need not to write. So it would be having A and 0.
Okay.
Correct.
Yes.
This 2 will shift here because it is 0 over here. So 2 will come here.
Yes.
Okay, not let's, if you not understand this way. First, see, once, let me show you another example. 25. Now, 2 square is 4.
Yes.
5 square is 25.
Yes.
And we leave this. And 2 into 5 is 10. Into 2 is
20.
Okay.
again, if you observe, every time you'll get 25.
Yes.
And here, if you see, what was the number? Number is 2. That's why you got 4. So basically, what is this? A square. You'll add this, na?
Yes.
Then only you get 6. So what you are doing? A square plus A,
Yes. Okay. Okay. Sir.
or 20, 25. You get this. So 25 is fixed, and this 2 is moving there. So 4 plus 2. Then only you get 6 now.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
So what is this 4? It is basically your A square
A square.
plus A.
25.
Now clear? See,
Clear.
if B is 5, so you are doing A square plus A. But now this it becomes difficult for you. First A square, then A. So if I take A as common, so what is this? A plus 1. Now also confused.
No. Clear.
What is A square plus A? If you take A common, it becomes A plus 1. So whatever is A, we multiply with 1 more.
Yes.
Now clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Khudeja, Shilakshmi. See, this is very important. You need to understand this. People don't understand this. They just cram it. Yes, A square. How you will be getting this? Any doubt? Any questions you have, please ask. Shilakshmi, Khudeja, Akram, Karishma.
Got it, sir.
Got it, sir.
Shilakshmi, नहीं बता रहे, फिर आगे चलें. चलिए. So now, what is 15 square?
225.
25, because now we know A is 1. So 1 into 2, 2. And 5 is always 25. So what is 25 square?
625.
625.
25.
All practice. It is your practice. If you will not speak, I will not be. You have to practice. 35 square.
1225.
1225.
45 square.
2025.
5.
55 square.
30.
3025.
65 square.
40 to 25.
425.
75 square.
5625.
5625.
85 square.
7220.
7225.
95.
9025.
902.
105.
11025.
11.5.
1 2
क्या 11 का
1
मल्टीप्लिकेशन
13225.
यस सुमन 11 into 12 क्या आएगा 132.
yes.
यस नहीं उसको
25,
करना क्या है
20.
अप्लाई करो.
ठीक है.
क्यों याद किया था वो? Why did we understand that concept if we are not implementing? 125. बोलिए बोलिए 12 into 13
15225.
कैसे 152 होगा मैम?
15625.
No, 1562.
15625.
क्योंकि 12 into 13 नहीं होता है एकदम, तो ये दिमाग में लाओ.
Correct. वो उसी में मिस्टेक हुआ एक्चुअली. 12 12 जा 144 plus 12 I was calculating.
होमवर्क तो किसी ने करना नहीं. ये पहला बैच है
No
जिसने कोई
sir,
होमवर्क
मैंने
नहीं किया.
No sir, I did every day. And
I'm not-
even yesterday's workshop also I did. That's why square
I have not
fatafa
received. I
hota
have
tha.
not. It's not received. So for me, it is not done. 14, 145.
21025.
Last. चलो. 155 square. Yes. सुमन 14 into 15 नहीं याद आपको?
24025.
सर 14 into 5 15 कैसे करते हैं एक बार अगर बता दें.
ये लो. ऐसे भी याद कर सकते हो. दूसरा 15 10 जा 150, 15 4 जा 60. So 150 plus 60 210.
60 to 10. ठीक है सर.
देखो हमें तो दिमाग मैं ये नहीं करना वैसे. ये तो आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू. ऑलवेज ट्राई टू पुट स्ट्रेस ऑन योर ब्रेन एंड धीरे धीरे उसको आदत पड़ जाएगी. अभी उसको आदत नहीं है हमारे ब्रेन्स को. वो कहता पर्सन ऐसे कर ही लेगा. आलसी. हम लोग आलसी हैं. सच्चाई है ये. If we are calculating like this, we are not doing much efforts.
नहीं मुझे लगा सर मैंने क्लासेस जो मिस की हैं उसमें
नहीं.
कोई कंसेप्ट होगा.
नहीं वो
I
तो
always
है.
do-
वो डिजिट वो भी
जी,
है.
sir.
वो सेकंड.
सर.
हाँ अक्रम आपने सेकंड स्टेप मिस किया था ना पूरा.
हाँ जी.
सैटरडे को इस सैटरडे तो नहीं संडे से विल स्टार्ट. सैटरडे विल बी
Okay, sir.
कंप्लीटिंग. सैटरडे भी आप फर्स्ट हाफ के बाद कर सकते हो. मींस 6 to 8 इज द क्लास. आप 7 बजे लगा सकते हो. 7 बजे तक सब्ट्रैक्शन खत्म हो जाएगा. सो मे बी विल स्टार्ट. आप सैटरडे पूरा ही लगा लो ना. सैटरडे संडे लगा लो हो जाएगा वो टॉपिक.
ठीक है सर.
वो वीकली क्लासेस हैं सैटरडे संडेज.
So
Okay,
I
sir.
will also join.
ठीक है जी.
Thank you.
उसके बाद so now this is clear, but first you need to understand how this has been derived. आज आप नहीं पूछ रहे हो क्वेश्चन. बच्चे छोड़ेंगे नहीं आपको. छोटे बच्चे बहुत तंग करते हैं. 8th 9th का बच्चा बहुत तंग करता है. ये डिराइव कैसे हुआ वो पूछता है. रट्टा नहीं मारता है वो. Okay. Now this was up till 5. So first we did Anurpena Sutra. Second we did duplex. Third we did easy approach. Fourth we did numbers ending with 5. One more important is if number is ending with 25. Yes, anyone knows? Sumit, Suman, Shilakshmi?
Sir.
Okay. Now for finding in 25, numbers ending with 25, you have to follow 3 steps. I'll take first one example. Let's say we have to find square of 625. Very easy. And you'll see how calculations become very small. Leave 25. 25 means 625. Half work done. Now we need what is coming here. Correct? Step 1. Whatever is this number, divide n by 2. So here it is 6 by 2. I get 3. Perfect. Second step. Any doubt over here?
Sir, if it is
Yes.
odd number, then
For example,
5, 3.
2.5.
Okay.
Correct. We'll do that also. Second, scare the digit. So scaring means 36.
Yes.
Up till here, any doubt? Yes.
No, sir.
Now,
No, sir. Here.
third, add both. Add 1 and 2. Step 1, step 2. So step 1 and step 2 gives me 39.
39.
Fourth step, multiply by 10. Can we remember? So this is 390. My answer is 390,625.
Okay.
Let me show you one more. Any number? Yes. Now tell me. Who asked? Very first thing, make a habit. First, let one question complete. Did we stop? We just started one point. Instead of understanding that, you ask the negative things. See, I never say no to any question. But first, whatever is being done, that has to be understood. Now let's take 1, 2, 5 as example. 1 is your odd. First step, 1 by 2, that is 0.5. Second, 1 square, that is 1. Third step, it becomes 1.5. Fourth step, it becomes 15.
15.
So my answer is 15, 625.
6 to 5.
Please check. Now see, you can solve 12 into 13. What was that? 15625. Here also it is same. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So please find out one. Let's find out 2, 3 questions.
Okay.
Four 25.
One 80625.
Very first thing, tell me how is the concept. Big
Sir,
numbers. Finish. Otherwise 42 into 43 you can multiply. You have to both the options. Either we multiply 42 into 43 and then 25 would be there, or 4 divided by 2, 2.
2,
4 square,
2,
16.
16.
16,
That means 18.
18, and 180.
Got it? Any doubt now? Let's
No,
take
sir.
big number. 925 is fine. I'll be back in 1 minute.
855625.
Very good. Coming. Yes, what is the answer?
855625.
4.5, 81. So 84 point means 845.
85. 85.855. It should be
85.
81 plus 4.
Yes, 85. Right.
Yes.
And then 625. So easy. 1125.
But I find that easy.
Huh?
I find that one was easy.
Which one? 5.
No, no.
Hmm.
एक आदि के ना like 9 into 10 कर दिया और
बड़े
92
नंबर्स
into
को क्या
93.
करोगे?
So criss cross से हो.
नहीं
हाँ,
बड़े
but
नंबर
criss cross से
आपका क्रिस क्रॉस में टाइम लगेगा. देखो 92 into 93 करना पड़ेगा ना आपको.
yes.
आप वो भी तो सोचो ना. यहाँ क्या करना है? सिर्फ एक नंबर
5.
सिंगल का आपको वो निकालना है. स्क्वायर.
correct.
धीरे धीरे समझ आता है, कोई ऐसा इशू नहीं है. यस प्लीज, व्हाट इज द आंसर?
1265 6.
वेरी गुड. यस खुदेजा.
1265
वेरी गुड. लक्ष्मी.
Yes, got it.
सुमन.
Yes, sir, got it.
तो बता दो आंसर. बताओगे नहीं तो मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा आपको आ गया? चलो लास्ट एक कर लेते हैं एंड देन विल स्टॉप. 1525.
Two three two five 625.
Yes, sir. 2325625.
So see how good speed is there. Any doubt now? Yes, any questions, any doubts? Okay.
No, sir.
Now again mental concepts like 5 आपको याद हो गया. Let's utilize that. 25 cannot be done mentally, right? So 5 can be done mentally. Finding the squares of numbers ending with 6. Correct. Anyone who has a hint, how can we do?
5 का ही करना and then 1 square we have. 5
Yes.
square 25 and 1 square 1. So we have to add it.
Yes, Akram. Khudeja. Anyone? No one? कोई बात नहीं, आज से याद हो जाएगा ये भी. Now, if I have to find the square of 16, now I don't remember 16. Let's take an example. But I remember the nearest, that is 15 square. I know it.
Yes.
That is 225.
220.
You know it, everyone knows verbal. I just have to add these two numbers. 15 plus 16 is 31.
31.
31.
Add 30. Let's check it. If you have 16, 1, 36, and 12, 256.
Yes.
Same. But this was not able to do mentally. This you can calculate mentally. How? 16 square. Okay, 15 is 225. Now 15 plus 16. Again, 15 plus 16, how can you calculate? 15 double is 30. Every
30 and
time,
1.
every time you'll have something ending with 5. So it would be, the double would be 0 coming. Very easy. And add 1 to it. So this is how I do. I just remember 225 and then 15 double is 30. Double, not multiplication, adding. And adding 1 is 31. So 31 I add. Another example. 26. So what is 25? 625.
625.
25.
25.
And 25 double is 50. 51 I should add.
51. Okay. 676.
So now you can do mentally. Yes,
Yes.
a bit time extra than 5. But see, when you'll do something mentally, you'll get more confidence, more positivity. Paper pe to aap, you can do it. I know now every one of you can do on paper. But we have to practice that we use our brains. If you are doing it on paper, that means you are not using brain. Try to do it mentally. That will help you out. और कुछ नहीं करना ना, just do 10 questions multiplication by 2 every day. This is not a big thing. Just 10 questions and you'll see what the change in yourself. 10 questions on multiplication by 2. Write down 10 numbers, write the answers immediately. Because your brain will work, your right brain, left brain, both will work. And the things are done. Just, this is I'm giving you a very big hint. How to sharpen your brain. Yes, Suman,
Sir.
Lakshmi,
Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Previous, I could not, but now I understood.
previous which one? अच्छा आपको डांट पड़ी थी तब क्या? इसीलिए चुप हो? नहीं, देखो, let me
नहीं
try
सर
to
मुझे
understand.
पड़ी थी,
हाँ?
मुझे पड़ी थी.
ओह, अब मेरे को एक तो पता नहीं चलता कौन फीमेल है मैं सबको.
No, it's okay sir, but I was wrong. I admit it.
पता क्या है? First, we need to understand the concept. I always go step by step. मैं अपना नेचर बताता हूँ. मैं कभी भी आपको टफ क्वेश्चन नहीं देना चाहता. First I give
Yes,
a
sir.
simple, then second tough, then third.
Then you are yes. Every time I'm observing sir, from simple only you are taking into tough, so that you are making us very easy.
So इसलिए वो क्या होता है, कई बार लगता है यार अभी तो शुरू नहीं किया तो नहीं करना चाहिए.
No sir, actually I thought yesterday on Friday I missed the class. No, maybe you have taken something. I was thinking in that way. That's why I asked.
नहीं. That was that multiplication of 2 you missed.
I don't even know that.
आप भी next class लगा
And
लेना.
divided by 5.
कोई बात नहीं, जो मिस हुआ है वो अगली क्लासेस में लगाते जाओ.
जी सर.
सर्टिफिकेट तो टेस्ट देने के बाद ही दूंगा.
जी सर.
चलिए, कोई बात नहीं. अभी क्वेश्चन पूछो. नाउ इट इज ओपन कि यस उस टॉपिक पे या इस पे, इसमें और कुछ नहीं मुझे बताना, जस्ट प्रैक्टिस करानी है. बट अ स्मॉल हिंट, सी जस्ट लर्न हाउ डू वी कैलकुलेट. 25 को 2 टाइम करना बहुत इजी है बिकॉज इट इज ऑलवेज कमिंग 0. Whatever is the number, double it and add 1. There are so many methods you can utilize. Okay, 36 square.
Sir, if it is only 6 at that time, we need to use this, sir. Only at that time. 36.
The
Means
heading was
at the end 6.
ending with 6.
6.
Heading ही यही था.
Okay.
And why we
Yes,
did it?
yes.
See, basically, there is no sutra behind this. But why I added, this is for your mental practice. I don't want you to find 16 square by any method. I want you to find 16 by your brain. Brain से कब होगा जब, क्योंकि आपको सिर्फ 5 आता है. अगर 5 के कंसेप्ट को यूज करके आप ब्रेन यूज करने लग जाएंगे तो what would you don't know how much you will be gaining. Otherwise 16 को फाइंड करना कौन सा डिफिकल्ट है. You can do it on paper, but not mentally. I want you to find numbers ending with 6 mentally. That was the reason this was added into the book. It's not from where, it's not like Vedic maths का ये कोई सूत्र है. No, it is not having any sutra at all. But this is important because it gives you confidence and you are able to do everything mentally. Any doubt now? Yes?
No, sir. Understood.
Okay. Then find out few questions. I gave something. 36. Tell me. Try mentally. Don't do it on paper. Maybe you take 1 minute extra, but try to do mentally. 35 square. That is 1225. 35
1
plus
to 25.
36. So 1225
One to two.
plus
1 to
71.
25 plus
71.
plus 7.
क्योंकि 35 है, 35
1
का
to
डबल
96.
71.
1296 sir.
देखो 1 2 तो कॉमन रहेगा, 25 और 71 अगर ऐड करते हैं तो 96 हो गया. 12 है ही है. स्टार्ट यूजिंग ब्रेन नाउ। मेंटल कैलकुलेशंस की प्रैक्टिस करो। अगर हम नहीं करेंगे क्लास में तो कब करेंगे?
70 ऐड करके सर उस बाद में 1 ऐड कर लो।
हाँ वही देखो,
वही तो
यही बात तो बोला ना, 35 को आपको डबल करना आसान है क्योंकि 0 ही आएगा। वो भी आपको माइंड में रखना है कि 0 ही आना है हर बार, तो जल्दी हो जाएगा। करेक्ट, ओके। 46, डू इट मेंटली, डोंट वरी। 1 मिनट ज्यादा लग जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं।
2 1
2116.
2116. Yes.
1
So 4 5 the 20, 20 and 25
2
was there.
0 2 5.
अब 45 double means 91 and
45
91. 91 6 11. Yes, 2 1.
ठीक है, हो जाएगा। थोड़ा 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 सा प्रैक्टिस करो, हो जाएगा सब कुछ। 76 क्या?
Five, 7, 7, 6.
Yes, others? सुमन सुमन सुमन, नंबर एंड कर रहा है यार 6 से, तो हाउ कैन यू गेट 5? यस, बड़े पे आ जाते हैं। 116,
One, 3, 4, 5, 6.
yes, everyone done?
Yes, sir. Got it. 13 45 6.
132 first 25, then 115 का डबल क्या होता है? 230, तो 231 ऐड कर दो। 6 5 4 1 3 4 5 6, करेक्ट। एनी डाउट, एनी क्वेश्चंस यू हैव? चलो एक बड़ा सा कर लेते हैं। 21 6 216 के
4,
4 double 6
6,
5 6.
6, 5, 6.
Chalo. Any doubt now? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Chalo. Numbers. Last topic of the day. Ending with 4. Now what to do? Any hint now?
Same 5 का जैसे किया है वैसे ही, but we have to minus one digit from the previous one. 15 या 14.
Sorry. 14 square. Yes. Anyone?
डबल करके सर +1 करके सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, मतलब 14 का डबल करके
क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे?
वो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे 15 के स्क्वायर से।
ओके, तो डबल ना कह के अगेन you'll compare with 15, 225 and add these two, 15 and 20, 15 and 14, 29, but now 29 is to be subtracted.
Minus, yes.
Right? So that is 196.
6.
सुमन समझ आया?
Yes, sir. Understood.
There we were adding mentally हो जाता है, subtraction में we are not able to do subtraction mentally, but ultimately if we'll do on paper then it will be more faster. 44 square.
$1936.
Okay, so 45 square was 2025
2025.
and here it becomes 49. We have to subtract.
89, sir.
Sorry, 89. Now if one thing we can do just is we always get 6 here. This only you can remember, otherwise all the other things remain the same. Yeah. Huh? मैंने तो कभी खाया भी नहीं. Any doubt now? Any questions you have? Yes, Suman, Karishma, Khudeja.
Yes.
क्या बनेगा ये? 31936.
Yes, sir.
What is 84 square? 4 के केस में कई बार हमें क्योंकि माइनस करना है ना, तो we might make mistake. मतलब थोड़ा सा हमें टफ लगता है 4. 6 में एडिंग था तो it was more comfortable.
7056.
Hmm?
7056.
Very good.
Oh,
How? 7225
25,
and 84 and 85.
85,
169.
160.
169.
5. 1. 11 minus 6 is
Six.
again.
6,
Six,
sir.
sir. Six, sir.
Sorry,
First
Sir,
one.
here
last
the end.
6.
sorry. 5 and 0
Zero.
and 7.
And 7.
जल्दबाजी में कुछ भी गलती होती है. But because
पर आपकी
the
मिस्टेक
number
निकालने में मजा बहुत आता है.
number ending with 4, so it will always give us 6. This we can remember. 6 वाले में ज्यादा मजा आता है. I told you because adding is mental. You cannot mentally subtract. Mentally subtraction तभी possible है when it is base or sub base, all from 9, last from 10. Otherwise you have to take the complement. कोई बात नहीं, जितना easy हो जाए उतना ही अच्छा है. 204.
Sir, 1616.
41616. Yes. Sir.
Correct. Any doubts now? Any questions regarding today's topics? Yes.
No, sir.
Anything you find. So what all we did today? Anupena Sutra, duplex method. Third was easy approach. Fourth, number starting with 5, then starting with 25, then ending with 5, ending with 25, ending with 4, ending with 6. 6, 7 topics we have covered. So I'll not take other. We'll take on Wednesday. If you have any question, you can ask them. Yes. Yes, please ask if you have any
No,
doubt.
sir, no doubt.
Okay. Then. Suman, you have any questions?
No, sir.
Chalo. Then good night. And we'll meet on Wednesday. There is no more. If I take another topic, then it would be an overburden for you. Right? Chalo. Good night.
Okay, sir. Thank
Thank
you.
Good night, sir.
Okay, ji.
Thank you, sir.